Today we showcase our industry to encourage and educate you on building trades as a career path.
It's important that we have a program like Build My Future Lee County to introduce to young adults opportunities in the construction industry. Every trade that I know of is lacking qualified workers.
We have over 500 students from our middle and high schools and adult education here to attend to learn about the building industry and also about job opportunities. We're taking what students are learning in the classroom and actually applying it to the workforce so they can interact with the vendors and the exhibits and see where their education could take them into the workforce.
Our students have very different needs. Some take the college path, some take the career technical path, and so I think it is important to have more events like this for our students so that they know their options that are out there.
You could get a 4-year degree. There's opportunities there, 4- or 6-year degree, advanced degree opportunities. Or you could go right out of high school and go straight into construction, become an apprentice, work your way up. This is a very secure industry.
I saw folks who install garages. I saw kids building walls. Our Argos, we poured concrete. We gave examples of how we make cement, and then just a host of other things. There's so much to learn and so much to see.
I was surprised at how eager they were to actually grab the mud pan and knife, and I showed them how to spot some screws, and we showed them how to run some tape, and then actually how to put a few screws in. That was pretty exciting for me.
This event gives my students an opportunity to try things that I don't have the resources or the tools at my school to be able to demonstrate for them. We do construction technology, but I don't have the things to be able to do masonry or air conditioning or welding. So they get a really hands-on feel for some of the different trades and the tools that they use. This has given me an opportunity to show my students that there's a life out there that's meaningful and that there's gainful employment, and you can go off and do things and work with your hands.
The school district, they have a pretty big job. There simply aren't enough trades workers going from high school to the trades anymore. Those that don't go to college, they're not necessarily aware of the great jobs that can be had working in the trades, in construction.
It's different because when you have hands-on, you can physically and mentally learn what you're doing and understand it.
I definitely changed my mind on concrete, like doing concrete work like that, seeing the equipment that they have and the tools that they use. It's definitely something that I would look into now.
We are so grateful to Lee BIA and their members and partners for allowing our students to come out and experience this. I think we're going to get a lot of positive feedback, and I think we're impacting some lives today.